The AVProedge AC-EX70-UHD-KIT, ultra-slim 4K HDMI, via HDBaseT 70-meter extender is a powerful and versatile device that allows you to transmit high-quality 4K HDMI signals over long distances using a single Cat6 cable. Whether you need to connect a source and a display in a large venue, a multi-room installation, or a home theater system, this extender kit can deliver stunning video and audio performance with minimal latency and interference. The AC-EX70-UHD-KIT uses proven HDBaseT technology to support HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2, bi-directional IR and RS-232 control, and ESD protection. It can extend 1080p signals up to 70 meters, 230 feet, and 4K signals up to 40 meters, 115 feet, over a single Cat6 cable. It also features POH, Power over HDBaseT, function that can power the receiver from the transmitter or vice versa, eliminating the need for an extra power supply. The AC-EX70-UHD-KIT is designed to be easy to use and install, with an ultra-slim, 0.47-inch, 12mm, profile that can fit in any space. It also comes with a 10-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in its quality and durability. If you are looking for a simple but effective HDMI extender kit that can handle any 4K content, the AVProedge AC-EX70-UHD-KIT is the one for you. For further information, contact us with these details or go to our website.